Hello friends, this is Dr. Meenakshi. I'm Associate Professor in Vianney Group of Colleges, and today I have got an opportunity to make you familiar with the most multi-dynamic and multi-faceted department, that is Department of Social Sciences. When I said it is a multifaceted and multidisciplinary department, why I mean by that? In this department, we have different kind of streams. Like we have psychology, with the help of which we can find out the content, essence of human behavior. We can observe, we can understand, and we can predict human behavior. And again, we have sociology, which helps us to understand the basic essence of education, that is society, its ethics, its needs. And then we have history, with the help of which we can plan our future because we can look into the past. We have economics, from which we can understand how to manage our resources. We have geography, with the help of which we can understand different facets of this beautiful unique planet that is Earth. We have public administration, with the help of which we can understand the procedures of policy making and the role of public in that. And we have political science, making us familiar with the fact that how our constitution is framed, what is the sense of our constitution and the constitution around the globe. And again, we have another subject, another stream in our department, that is English literature, which inculcates the value of aestheticism in our students, in our faculties. We have a new and creative department with us, that is the Department of Visual Arts. And we have another department with us, the department, that is the only fact that I'm mentioning, that this is a multifaceted and multi-dynamic department, and I welcome you all to this department. Our vision for our department is to empower the women and to provide a visionary thinking, and along with that we have interested being innovative in research and teaching methodology. Our mission is to empower our youth and to develop in their attitude and enthusiasm, and to inculcate global thinking in their young minds. Our objective is to create global citizens equipped with the power of analysis, formulated with research-oriented and scientific-tempered attitude for becoming socially productive. When I say socially productive, that means we are not here just making our students equipped with a degree, but equipped with a skill with the help of which they can be socially productive. For all that such purpose, we need a strong team, and we have a dynamic team for that. And our team is being headed by our head of the department, Dr. Aarti Upadhyay. She is a doctorate in economics, and she is heading the department, and she is specialist in economics. For Department of English, Dr. Meenakshi Thakur is serving there as an associate professor. Dr. Varun Maru is for Department of Public Administration. Dr. Anu Bhatnagar, again the faculty for English literature, she is masters in English, and Dr. Priyanka Yadav is also a faculty for English literature. Ms. Chandni Tripathi is a faculty for geography, Ms. Nupur Sharma is faculty for economics, and Ms. Swati Charan is again the faculty for English literature. Mr. Dharmendra Verma is a faculty for history, Ms. Dipti Ara is a faculty for English literature, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Yadav faculty for geography, and Mr. Gopal Arya faculty for history. Ms. Ankita Gupta, she is a faculty for economics, and Ms. Vishakha Shekhawat is the dynamic faculty for our visual arts stream. And the faculty for mass communication and journalism, we have Ms. Priyanka Chaturvedi and Mr. Amit Verma. The courses that we offer in our department are, at the graduation level, English literature, economics, public administration, political science, history, psychology, geography and sociology. And at the post-graduation level, we are offering courses for English literature, economics, geography and masters in journalism and mass communication. And this year, we have introduced bachelor's degree in visual arts. The toppers for our session, for the last session 2014 and 15 have been like this. For the part first, we have Raksha Kumar Rathore as our topper, and Mansi Parekh was the one who bagged the second position, and Ayushi Saxena and Shivani, they both bagged the third position. For the second year results, Rupal Rathi was the first, she topped the exams. Durgesh Kanwar and Monica Rathi, they were the second runner, second toppers, and third was Pooja Kaur. For the part third, we have Vikas Kumari as the topper, and second was Suman, and third was Sonia. From the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Musrat Parveen bagged the first position, and Anchal Maheshwari, she bagged the second position. And from the second semester of the same stream, Priyanka Maheshwari bagged the first position. As far as the placements are concerned, our 8 students from Masters in Mass Communication and Journalism first year and 2 students from the second year, they have completed their internship program with Zee Media Corporation, and 1 student of Mass Communication second year has completed her internship with Times Now TV. And along with that, we have a placement recently done in Zee Rajasthan News for our student, and that is for Chitra Sharma. Apart from that fact, we have certain kind of a basis for our curriculum development. We are following the examination pattern and the syllabus of Rajasthan University, and apart from that, we have monthly and quarterly internal examination patterns, and with the help of which we are focusing to identify the weak students, and for weak students we are organizing tutorial classes, and special curriculums are also prepared for such students, and individual mentors are also provided for the needy students. Along with that, we have a continuous and comprehensive evaluation of students on daily basis on the basis of performance that they are putting in through their co-curricular activities in their classroom or in the events. As such, I mentioned the word co-curricular activities. We have divided our co-curricular activities in different phases. Like we have field visits in which we take our students to different kind of fields. Like in psychology, we take our students to, recently we have taken our students for a mental retarded place where they can study the people who are challenged, who are disabled. And for geography students, we have taken there to survey of India so that they can understand the different instruments provided over there. In academic tours, we are providing students an opportunity to get involved with their classmates to understand the team building and cooperation kind of qualities. We have seminars and workshops regularly organized at our place. We have cultural activities in which our students are providing their 100% involvement. We have GDs. Time to time we organize group discussions for students so that they can get an insight how to be presentable, how to present themselves, how to be in a discussion. Then we have PEP classes, we have SEP classes, we have language lab training, we have Urja, we have press conferences for our MGMC students, and we have Biani Times also for our mass communication students, and the Bicon is the feature that makes our institution distinct. Like I spoke about the word Urja, that is, as the word determines, is meant for taking out the basic energy from students that they are not able to understand what they have actually with them. So our purpose for this program is to make our students aware that they are bearing so many different kinds of abilities and capabilities. So in this program Urja, we involve our students thoroughly, and each department every weekend they used to perform some activities in Urja. Like our students, they provide activities like in theatre, music, dance or creative arts, and apart from that also we have certain guest lecturers who come and they provide knowledge and information to our students regarding different concepts, different facets. Another feature, the prominent feature of our institution is Bicon, that is the Biani International Conference, which is in collaboration with certain universities from Japan, and it has been from 9 years. Our institution is doing the same thing, and our department is being in this process from last 4 years. From 2012, our Department of Social Sciences has been a continuous and competitive participant in Bicon. This is a glimpse of Bicon 2012, and the glimpse is presenting the eminent speakers who have been there in our sessions. In 2014 again we have eminent speakers with us, which provided their different scenarios and concepts in changing dynamics of global economy. And this year we are again blessed with this opportunity, and this year we are going to deal with the topic of role of public administration in developing human resource and management skills. So this year also there will be a meeting of different kind of knowledgeable people where they'll be sharing their information, their knowledge, their insights, and our children that get those will get opportunity to understand and to comprehend actually what actually research is meant for. So we used to cover each and every event in our institution whichsoever is meant for be there, and such is then glimpse of Bicon and internship program which is being covered by the media. As earlier I mentioned that there are SEP classes for a student, that is the competitive exam preparation classes. Here our focus is to prepare our students for battling the competition which is out in the market. And our students who are having the regular degree programs, they are getting prepared along with their degree classes for the competitive exams. So we provide them verbal and non-verbal reasoning, we provide them logical analysis, we provide them information of journal English, we provide them information about the research aptitude and data interpretation kind of skills, so that they can appear for UPSC exams, banking, NET, SET, PhD entrance, SSB, any kind of competitive exams. So we prepare them for the 3 years regular classes for SEP, so that they can crack any kind of a competition. Apart from that, we have a personality enhancement program, and in personality enhancement program, the main notion the people are having actually is, it is a program in which we are going to teach them the good English. That is not the only thing that we are going to teach them in this program. We are teaching them the basics of their personality. First, they need to know and they need to understand their personality, and for that they need to understand their self. So we help them to understand their self. We make them understand how to realize their own self, explore their self with the help of different sessions. And along with that, we have different sessions like body language sessions, skill of expression sessions, self-evaluation and soft skills. And also obviously English is a part of it. We train them the correct pronunciation, the correct usage of English language. Along with that, we have a Microsoft Office Specialist program, which is actually being authorized program, and we are running this program so that our students are equipped with this information, equipped with the skill of using the computers, which is the high-tech demand of our present society. And in this program, we are giving them the basic knowledge of computers. We are training them with Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office and MS Excel. And after completing the course, they get a certificate. This certification is helping them to provide a glimpse of their expertise in this kind of a field. Apart from that, apart from students, we have regular faculty development programs in which our faculties get an opportunity to enhance and explore their personalities and to modify their methods of teaching. And this is just a glimpse of our recent faculty development program, in which our Professor for Academics, Director for Academics, Professor Sanjay Biyani sir, he has taken different sessions so that he can make our teachers aware, he can train our teachers to find out the Chanakya in them, so that they can realize their power, their original power which they are already bearing with them. Our students have regular participation in different kind of activities. As such, I mentioned, our students are remarking their presence in the form of student council. Our students are having a participation in consumer clubs, in which they are able to understand their rights and responsibilities as a consumer and different facets of the rights of a consumer. And along with that, we have a annual kind of a program which is called as Spectrum, in which both the students from our colleges and from other colleges, they come together and they participate and they face competition in different kind of things like theatre, dance, creative writing and other things. Our teachers are also involved in innovative practices, because this is a time of high-tech technology and our teachers need to be upgraded and updated with the same. So in that practice, first of all, we involve our teacher with certain kind of practice like video lectures. Our teachers are providing their study material so that not only our students but all around the globe, whosoever wants some information about certain topic, certain subject, can avail this and they can have a look, they can understand with the help of that video. So the video lectures are being regularly featured for our faculties, and they are providing their best study material in the form of video lectures. So till now we have more than 50 video lectures from our side. Along with that, we have a system in which our faculties are continuously providing their own ideas, their own views about certain issues which are actually current in the updated market, and that is in the form of blogs. We are having more than 87 blogs right now. Our faculties are providing their honest opinions. Actually, they are not writing on the old topics, they are just being updated, and they are working on the updated topics as such which are happening around at present. And apart from that, we have a think tank publication in which our faculties are providing their study material in the form of a written format, in which they are trying to put down all the knowledge, all the information that they are having actually about a specific subject. And the best thing about this think tank is it is bearing an ISBN number. So every subject is having its own individual ISBN number. Not only our students, but the students from all over the world, they can access this information with the help of think tank publication, which is being published on our website, that is gurukpo.com. And our students are regularly being involved in social activities as they bear some social responsibilities, like we involve them in blood donation camps, NSS activities and all that. This is a media coverage for blood donation camp, and this is a media coverage for personality development program, as such I mentioned in the beginning. And our students are facilitated with guest lectures every time, like this is a slide which is representing that Mr. E.V. Girish, he is from Brahma Kumaris. He has presented a technique in a session for our student in which he can train our students with the skill of expression. So our students are regularly getting guest lectures from outside so that they are getting new things, new information updated with them. This is a glimpse of guest lecture from Brahma Kumari Sheetal Didi, and she has came over here for the skill of, life skill training, and this is a session in which she has trained our student to how to make their life actually worth living. Our students, when they come to our college for admission, first of all they are assessed, their personalities are assessed on the basis of their performance for the specific test that our Academic Director Professor Sanjay Piani sir has designed. From this test we evaluate actually the personality of the student, and accordingly we decide the interest and the strong and the weak points of the students, and we make it a point right from the very beginning how we are going to work for them, what kind of expertise they have and what kind of things can be enhanced in them. So this is a kind of a personality test which helps us to assess their personalities when they are coming for the admissions. And this is the glimpse of events that used to happen in our college every year. For every occasion, every festival, we all come across, we all come together and we all perform, we all enjoy, so that our studies are not monotonous, we are actually getting something else also, that is living life. This is the glimpse for our international conference Baikan, and this is the glimpse for academic trips. This is the media workshops and visits for our students for communication and mass communication and journalism. And this is Biani Times. Actually, this is the prominent feature of our institution, and our students and faculties from mass communication and journalism, they are putting their 100% efforts to be a part, to play a key role in this. This monthly newspaper Biani Times, it spreads actually positivity, energy and updates for our readers, because it is not the usual newspaper which is just helping you with recent news and information. It is helping you to live your life positively, and we have 29 editions of this papers so far. And this is the glimpse of our media coverage and media presence. And the future prospects that we have decided for our department are, actually right now we are running the master's course for economics, geography and English, and we are focusing this year that we are going to have more master degree programs with us, like we master in history, masters in psychology, we want to have masters in other streams. So we are focusing on that, and along with that we are focusing on the fact that we are going to introduce some integration courses, like we have bachelor courses for different streams. So we want to integrate these bachelor courses with certain vocational degree courses, so that when our students are going out after finishing their degrees, they are being equipped with something different from other students. If they are interested in some kind of event management, so they will be provided certain courses of event management and all, like they can also get enrolled for social work. So we are focusing on such courses which are going to provide our students a better standard, a better platform, so that they can be equipped with more skills and more knowledge. And along with that we are focusing on research and innovation, and this year we have planned to involve our faculty, our students more in research work. So that's all from the Department of Social Sciences. I hope we have been able to deliver the intent. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.